One of the garden chores I hate to do every year is to clean out beds, especially the beds that had tomatoes, melons, squash, you know, the like spiny, itchy plants. And every year I get a rash, I get my skin irritated, but not this year. This year I bought these from Amazon, and I'll put a link to which ones I got, but there's a whole bunch on Amazon. These are fantastic. I had these on. I cleaned out 2 beds of squash, a bed of melons, and a bed of tomatoes, which usually makes my skin go crazy. But with these, I didn't have to worry. Also, if there was like any sneaky weeds that I had missed coming up that had the thorns on them, I didn't even notice. These are wonderful. I will never be without these again. If you're a gardener, do yourself a favor and just get yourself some of these. You will be so happy. Also, these are so good. I was able to move around my raspberry canes, which are full of horrible thorns. And I can't, if you've ever grown raspberries, you know what I'm talking about. They are absolutely horrible to try to touch. I moved these around, just grabbed them by the cane and moved them where I wanted them. No issues at all. So I highly recommend these if you're a gardener. I can't believe I have went for over a decade without these in my life. Have a good one.